This one is so nice and delicious, guys. Check it out. Look at it, guys. This can be nice with some white rice, nice with some burger, nice with lentils, nice with chicken. Anything you want to eat it with, guys, you can eat it with. Mud! Nice one. Nice one. Nice. Well soft, nice and rich. You know.
Str8yaad, big up myself.
Big up Str8yaad TV. The food was amazing. Food was 10 out of 10. One Str8yaad TV. One.
Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Str8yaad TV. Today we're gonna do something nice, something special, something delicious, guys. So welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna cook something nice, guys. Okay, like I said, I wasn't gonna show you this one, guys, but when I think about it, I said, you know what, I'm gonna cook something for myself. Might as well I share this beautiful recipe. So okay guys, today we're gonna make some beautiful turmeric high fiber bean, guys. Turmeric high fiber beans with some chicken foot. Okay, so look at the beans, guys. These are the, let me go zoom in on it so you can see there's a high in fiber. These beans are high in fiber, guys, top tier. If you know about it, check it out, it's very healthy. So this bean I have here, guys, I have it in the pot already. Basically this type of bean, guy, you have to put on the water, bring the water to a boil, and after you bring the water to a boil, then you put in the beans, guys, and then you let it boil for like about 3 minutes, then you turn off the fire, guys, and you let it sit there for like 3 hours. Then after the 3 hours, you're gonna throw off that water and you're gonna rinse it off with cold water, guys, and you're gonna put it on back to cook for like 2 to 3 hours, because this is a very healthy bean and it's very tough. Take a long time to cook. It's almost like chickpeas. Okay? So I already go ahead and, like I said, I wasn't gonna show this one, but I have to show it to you. I already go ahead and bring it to a boil and let it sit there for 3 minutes. And I already let it sit for 3 hours. Okay, after it come to a boil, you turn off the fire and let it sit for 3 hours. So I already do that. So now I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do with it, guys. Because I'm gonna have to take it out of the pot now, and I'm gonna have to wash it off with cold water and strip it down and get it seasoned, get it ready for the high fiber bean turmeric, guys. Okay, this is a turmeric high fiber bean menu, guys, with chicken foot. Okay. So I already go ahead, because I already show you how to do chicken foot. I already go ahead and I already season my chicken foot, guys. It have onion, garlic, scallion and thyme in it already, with a little bit of black pepper and some earth season. And I'll have like I'm gonna show you the season what I use, my people. These are my seasonings that I use to season my chicken foot. Okay, all of them are organic. Okay, guys. This is a all-purpose, and this is garlic and herbs. This is my black pepper. This is my organic cilantro. Okay, so and then I have some thyme, garlic, onion, scallion, and then I season up my chicken foot, guys. I let it sit there for almost an hour. Okay, so and I grated some turmeric on it already, and a little bit of ginger. Okay, so stay tuned for this one, guys. This one is gonna be so nice. So over here I have my ingredients in my plate. It's ready. I have my carrot here, I have my sweet pepper here, I have my onions here, I have some fresh, guys. You know what is this? If you guys know, drop it in the comments. I have some scallion here, I have some thyme here, I have some garlic, I have my ginger. This is my ginger. This is my golden spice ginger, guys. And I have the real golden spice. This is my turmeric. Okay, so I'm gonna do some turmeric high fiber beans with chicken foot. Okay, guys, so remember, like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel, guys. Be a part of the family. You're gonna learn to cook this one with me today. I'm gonna teach you how to cook this one, guys. This one is very nice. It's high in fiber rich in protein. So this type of meal, guys, is very healthy for you, okay? So now you know, I'm gonna go ahead and start to cook. I'm just gonna eat it with some purple potato, a piece of pumpkin, and some boiled banana. You can have it with whatever you need to have it with, guys. Rice, whatever you want to have it with. Dumpling, yam, anything you want to eat it with, you can eat it with it, okay? So I'm just gonna eat it with a simple 3 ground provision that I like, okay? So like I said, guys, stay tuned. I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna start cooking. So let's go, guys, let's go. So this is my celery, okay? Nice spice. So let's go, guys, we're gonna get cooking. So okay, my beautiful people, like I said, here is it. We already have it in the pan. We're gonna throw it off, get rid of that water. We're gonna wash it off and put some fresh water, okay? And guys, what this piece does, it releases out of the shell, see? That's what it does when it soaks, okay? But it's a hard piece, it still takes long to boil. So what we're gonna do is throw it all in here, get some cold water on it so I could get off all those husks, okay? I will show you in the sink, guys, when I finish. This is not a piece, okay? This is a bean. So I'm just going through it to see if any hooks leave. And sometimes you will find 1 and 2. Take them out. Yeah, my peeps, that's what I was showing you in the sink. You see all these? This is what come off of it. This is all the hooks. You see them? This is what they release. The hooks, guys, you see? That's what it release. All these hooks, okay? So stay tuned. I'm gonna finish cleaning up and come right back. Okay, my people, so here is it. Here is the beautiful beans. They are clean up, guys. They are ready to go. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get my stove lighted up so I could keep cooking now, my peeps. Okay. So right away the pot is gonna get hot and dry out because we're using the same pot. Okay. So right away I'm gonna go ahead and clean up my turmeric and my ginger. And come right back to you guys, so stay tuned. Pot is on fire, getting hot. I have my Africa oil here. This one I'm gonna use today. So stay tuned. Watch you all go on. Go on Str8yaad TV, guys. And remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Come over to the channel. We have a lot of great stuff going on, people. Be a part of the family. And welcome. Go on Str8yaad TV. Okay, my people, so the chicken foot in a pot. Yeah. I'm going doing thing. Like we say, we are cook some high fiber, turmeric, high fiber beans, guys. Okay. And see the bean here. Alright, guys, so that is it. It's all the ingredients that we're gonna use today. Okay. It's all my ingredients right there. So stay tuned and watch to the end, guys. And remember to like and share. And remember, guys, check out this bean. See if you can get it and try it out, guys. This is a high fiber bean. Okay? Real high in fiber. Okay? So try it and tell me how it tastes, guys. We're gonna go along with the pot, guys. So stay tuned. Like and share. And when you're cooking this type of meal, guys, you know this is some healthy meal we're cooking right here. Okay? So stay tuned and watch what I want. Okay, my peeps, so right away, we are going to add some water to this. You know, we always have a boiling water, okay? Add some water to the chicken foot. Get it up and running. So you know, that one was so nice, guys. Alright? That one was so nice, see that? Chicken foot continue to do some work, okay? Now stay tuned. Watch the video, guys. Like and share. Okay, guys, so let's check out the pot so I go on. I can know someone get up himself, people. No curry added in here, so it look beautiful. Yes, man, that's what we're talking about. So we make some turmeric with some chicken foot, guys. And look at the chicken foot, all them nice and beautiful. Look at the color on the pot, guys. It's just a turmeric doing that in my peeps. So what we are going to do, cover up the pot and make the fire continue to do the work. So remember, like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel, guys. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Str8yaad TV in the kitchen. One love, up and running. Okay my peeps, so we have some crushed black pepper here and 2 more for garlic. We're going to put in my pot. I know how it go. Pot is full of flavor, you know, with the flavor. You know how it go already. Yeah, get chicken foot nice and ready, my peeps. Yeah. So ready to add the bean. So stay tuned and watch the video to the end, guys, and give it a thumbs up. One love, Str8yaad TV. So okay my people, right now, check out the pot again, you know, my people. So look. Guys, look at the chicken foot I'm going on with himself. So curry pretty. So guys, what we are going to do now, we are going to add all these beautiful beans that we have here. And them have to cook too, you know. So we are going to put them in here now. Get pot going. You understand what we are saying? Yeah, that we are talking about. See there? So, you see when you add the bean, when the chicken foot is almost like halfway cooked. Because this bean gonna take a little time to cook. So by the time the bean to cook, chicken foot cook. Okay my peeps? So it's all about timing and when to put it in. And still I have my seasoning here. I need to cut them up and put them in. So I'm gonna put in all my seasoning later on. So guys, you have to stay tuned and watch out for this one. Stay tuned. Okay my people, check it out. Look at the high fiber bean, guys. Look at them. And look at the chicken foot, guys. You see how this pot look pretty and nice? There is no curry added. So guys, I'm gonna season up this pot now because it's almost ready to eat. So this is all the ingredients that I show you that I have. I already go ahead and wash them and clean them and cut them up, guys. So I'm gonna add them to the pot. Carrot, onion, scallion, thyme, garlic. Alright, sweet pepper and thyme. Alright, so we're gonna add it to the pot now. Add all of these beautiful seasoning to the pot. My peeps. Look there. I season up the pot now because you know it's a winning flavor. This is all about, it's gonna be so nice and delicious, guys. Remember me told you. So nice. See that? Alright. My peeps. Yeah, know how it's going on, you know. You see we season up pot now. You know the pot soon cook done. So guys, stay tuned. Like and share, comment and subscribe to the channel, guys. And remember, try this one at home, guys, and tell me how it tastes because this is a nice, very healthy meal. A high fiber bean with turmeric and chicken foot, guys. So you know how this one go. One go this one, okay? This can eat with anything, guys. Rice, food provision, anything you want to eat it with. Trust me. So I'm gonna go ahead and touch it down some more, and then, guys, you will see when we finish. Just stay tuned and watch that one here. Close the pot and let the fire do the work. One Str8yaad TV up and running. Okay, my people, check it out. This is what we're talking about. See that, my peeps? Wow, beautiful. See that? It's like a bean stew, guys. So it's nice. Wow, guys, I'm gonna turn on fire. This done, guys. We're gonna plate and show you what go on. This nice, going nice and pretty, my people. I hope this color is showing you the right color because trust me, this has no curry and it's so beautiful, guys. It's so rich and thick. So stay tuned. Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel. One Str8yaad TV. We are gonna play it, guys. So stay tuned. Man, this is the real deal. Everything in this pot healthy. This is so nice, guys. So we're gonna come up and we're gonna play it, guys. So stay tuned and wait for that. Okay, guys, so we have come to the end of this beautiful video, guys. This is a nice stew. You know how it go. This one is so nice and delicious, guys. Check it out. Look at it, guys. This can be nice with some white rice, nice with some bulgur, nice with lentils, nice with chicken. Anything you want to eat it with, guys, you can eat it with it. Nice with some dumpling and some yam and some banana. Anything you want to eat it with, guys, you can. Even with some bread, anything. This is so nice and delicious, guys. Very healthy meal. And remember, there is no curry added. It's turmeric, beans with some nice chicken foot, guys. Check it out. Remember, like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel, guys. And tell a friend to tell a friend. Str8yaad in the TV. Always cooking up some stuff. So you need to go over there and check it out, guys. Go and check it out. Let's go, guys. We out.